Hello, health enthusiasts. Are you looking for a simple yet powerful way to boost your well-being? Today, we're diving into the world of kefir, a fermented superfood that's gaining incredible popularity for all the right reasons. Often called the elixir of life, kefir is more than just a trendy drink. It's packed with nutrients and beneficial microorganisms that can transform your health from the inside out. Get ready to discover 7 amazing ways this ancient beverage can benefit you. Kefir is a fermented milk drink, similar to yogurt, made by culturing milk with kefir grains. These grains are a symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast, creating a potent probiotic powerhouse. It boasts a slightly tart, refreshing taste and a creamy consistency. Kefir is a nutritional marvel, offering a wide array of health advantages. Let's explore how this fermented drink can elevate your health journey. Boost gut health and digestion. At its core, kefir is a probiotic powerhouse, teeming with diverse strains of beneficial bacteria and yeasts. These live cultures help balance your gut microbiome, promoting healthy digestion and nutrient absorption. A happy gut often means a happy you. Strengthens bones. Beyond probiotics, kefir is an excellent source of calcium and vitamin K2. Calcium is crucial for bone density, while vitamin K2 plays a vital role in directing calcium to your bones and away from arteries. This combination makes kefir a bone-building champion. Supports a robust immune system. The probiotics in kefir don't just aid digestion, they also significantly bolster your immune system. A healthy gut microbiome is directly linked to a stronger immune response, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses more effectively. Offers anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Kefir contains various bioactive compounds, including peptides, that exhibit powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation throughout the body, contributing to overall cellular health. May improve lactose digestion. For those with lactose intolerance, kefir can be a game changer. The bacteria in kefir break down much of the lactose during fermentation, making it easier to digest than regular milk. Many individuals who struggle with dairy find kefir to be well tolerated. Contributes to weight management. Kefir is a nutrient-dense, low-calorie beverage that can support weight management efforts. Its protein content helps you feel full and satisfied, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. A healthy gut also plays a role in metabolic regulation. Enhances skin health and mood. The gut-skin axis and gut-brain axis are well-established connections. By improving gut health, kefir can positively impact skin conditions like acne and eczema. Furthermore, a balanced gut microbiome is linked to improved mood and reduced anxiety. Adding kefir to your daily routine is incredibly easy. Enjoy it plain, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a base for salad dressings. You can even use it in baking for a moist texture. From fortifying your bones to boosting your mood, kefir truly is a remarkable superfood. Its rich probiotic profile and nutrient density make it an invaluable addition to any health-conscious diet. So, why not give kefir a try and experience these amazing benefits for yourself? Your body will thank you.